Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, we Canadians are going through some turbulent time. Lot of political changes related to tariff and other things are going on. And every day we see various news articles, various updates. So at this moment, I want to make a request. It's a humble request to all Canadians and Americans that guys avoid rumors. This is the age of social media. So if you are referring to any news or anything you find online, make sure you verify the authenticity of the source. Okay, I mean, refer official sources when you trust on something, because you never know who has written what on social media. I have read something on social media that was hilarious, and I don't want to discuss and spread rumors, but this can happen to anyone. It's an age of social media. Anybody can make a facsimile website. Anybody can publish anything on any social media website. So be careful, guys. It's very spread to share rumors and false news nowadays. So don't fall trap to any of this. I'm sorry. Always trust what you hear from the official sources, and I will pray to God that these situations should be handled pretty soon in everyone's benefit and betterment. So that's a humble request, guys. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.